Welcome back, friends. Today I have for you some fun Christmas in July inspiration, and we're going to start with this bubble wrap. We are also going to use a blue construction paper and some markers. Now, I did change a few things, and I'll show you as we go, but I used a black marker, white marker, brown marker, and tried to use an orange marker. I'm also going to use some buttons and a little piece of thin fabric. We're going to use some white paint, a brush, of course, and then a cup just with two size, entries, like the smaller size and the larger side. All right, we're going to cut off a piece of the bubble wrap, and then we're going to trace the larger side of the cup and then the smaller side. We're going to make a cute little snowman, and this is going to be a greeting card, and I can't wait to show you. I'm going to cut it off, and then we are going to wipe off the excess ink. That way you can't see that part. And I'm just going to use a little wipey, little disinfecting wipe, and that really worked well. Once the bubble wrap was dry, we're just going to paint over it just like we would anything else. And then we're going to set it to the side to dry. Now, I wanted to hurry up, but I wanted to show you what I did. I want to place them in underneath a fan so that way they dry fast. So I'm just going to add a little bit of tape and then place each one in there. And that way they can be under the fan without the, air blowing them all over the place. All right. While that's drying, which it didn't take long, we're going to fold the construction paper in half. And then with my white marker, we're just going to write Merry Christmas and make some snowflakes falling all over the inside. Of course, this is where you can add whatever you want. You can add a personalized message and whatever else you want. All right, so now that my snowman pieces are dry, we're going to hot glue them to the front, but you can also use other types of glue, of course. And then we're going to add the smaller one right on top. And then it's time to just add some fun little details. I decided to add a little hat, so I'm going to take this stock paper in the black tone, and we're just going to make a little tiny hat for the snowman, and then hot glue the pieces, kind of like in a little bit of a tilt. We're going to take the brown marker, and we're just going to make some stick arms, and then we're going to use two of the buttons and use those as the buttons. Now, at first, I thought I'd use the black marker for the eyes. It just didn't look pretty, so I'm going to take two smaller black buttons, and we're going to use those as eyes. And instead of using the orange marker for the nose, we're just going to use some orange construction paper, and it worked so much better. But of course, use whatever you have on hand. Now we're going to take the small little piece of fabric, and we're just going to hot glue it, and then we're going to crisscross it to make it look like a little scarf. Of course, you can also use ribbon if you have that instead. And then we're going to use the white marker once again and just tie everything together with the snowflakes falling. And I think so adorable. Oh my word. This could be used as a greeting card, but it could also be used as an art that you can place on the wall. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to use popsicle sticks, a green paper, red and kind of like yellowish pom-poms in the smaller size, red glittery paper, but you can also use regular red paper, green paint, googly eyes, a black marker, more string. We're also going to use paintbrushes, of course, scissors, the hot glue, and a gold marker, but you can also use yellow paper if you do not have gold marker. All right. Again, we're going to stack some popsicle stick. These are going to be 4 of them, and then we're going to cut off some extra pieces so that we can, again, attach it to the back, just like you see here. And then we're going to paint about 1/3 of it in this beautiful green. We're creating little elves ornaments. And then we're going to take the green paper and we're going to cut off a triangle. This is just going to mimic a little hat for our elf. Then just make sure that you make the wider part as wide as the popsicle sticks. And you can make it as high or as low as you want. And then you want to hot glue it in place, or you can also use a regular glue for this one. Then we're going to take the red glittery paper. Again, if you don't have this, of course, you can just use red paper. And we're going to create just some details for the hat as well as the little clothes for our elves. And I'm just going to wiggle it and make it look like a little crown. Now, my daughter had a little bit of a hard time, so I'm just going to have her trace hers out of mine. And this is what it should look like, give or take. And then we're going to hot glue it to the top, or actually to the bottom of the hat, to the top of the elf, just like that. We're going to create another one, and we're going to hot glue it to the bottom. This is going to be like a little, almost like a little detail for the outfit. And then we're going to hot glue the red pom-pom to the top of the hat. My daughter thought it was going to be the nose. We were both laughing so hard. I said, no, that's for the hat.
It's okay, we all do it. Now we're going to add the googly eyes, and then we're going to add the nose, and we're going to use the orange pom-pom. Of course, you can use yellow if you want as well. Even black or white should work. And then once that's attached, we are going to make a nice smiley face for our elf because he's happy to help Santa. And then the last thing we need to do is a belt. So we're going to add a belt with a black marker right there in the center of the green portion. And then we're going to use the gold marker, and this is what we're going to use to create a belt buckle. But again, if you have yellow paper, you can use that as well, or maybe even yellow paint. I love doing this, and look at her fixing my work. I love her. All right, so these are ornaments. We have to add strings so that we can hang them. So we're just going to use the same method we used earlier, knot it, and then hot glue it to the back. And then, of course, we got to show you while we shake the googly eyes. Look how adorable they look. This is a great craft you can make with your kids, a fun one. You can help as needed, of course. But what do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments.
For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to start with some cotton balls and some red paper. We're also going to be using some googly eyes. Use whatever ones you feel appropriate for the size you need. We're going to use some paper plates, and we're going to use this cream color paint by Waverly and the cashew. And then we're going to use a couple of paintbrushes, scissors, and the hot glue, and then a pink marker and a black marker. And the first thing we want to do is we want to paint the surface. So this is the back of the plate. We want to paint the whole thing in the nice cream color, and of course, you want to set it to the side to fully dry. Once that is drying, we are going to take the red paper and we're just going to cut it in half. This is just so that we can share, but of course, you can use whatever size you want depending on how high you want the hat to be. We're creating a cute little Santa. And so first we want to do is we want to place it on top and mark at the top in the center, and then mark where the paper plate kind of meets at the end. And then just cut it into a triangle, just like we're doing right here. This is going to be a little Santa hat. And of course, we want to then add some cotton balls. So bring on the cotton balls, and we're going to add one at the top as the little top portion of the Santa hat. And then we're going to line the bottom of it with more cotton balls. Now that the plate is nice and dry, we are going to attach it using hot glue. You can also use white glue or glue stick if you'd like. And then once attached, we're going to add the googly eyes. These size we thought would be appropriate for the size of the face. And we're just going to hot glue them in place. And then it's time to just start adding a ton of cotton balls to create a mustache and to create a beard. And this is where you can have so much fun. Again, just be careful, of course, if you're using hot glue. Do that portion if you need to. But I think white glue would work really well for this. And then just keep doing it until the entire plate is covered. There we go. We have it covered, and I think it looks so cute. We're going to draw a little mouth right there, and then we want to give Santa some rosy cheeks because, of course, it's got to be cold in the North Pole. So we want to add that right there on each side. This is optional. You don't need to add this if you don't want. And I think it's absolutely adorable. Oh my word, how fun are these? I think you probably already have these items at home. Kids will love making this one, but let me know what you think down at the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.